Hi, Nicola Askham here, back for another in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And the question I want to look at today is, are data science and data governance related? Now, I'll be honest, nobody sent me this question, but one of the many hats I wear is that I'm on the board of Dharma UK, which is the UK chapter of the Data Management Association. Now, my role for Dharma is to arrange and to host their webinars, and as part of that, I get to meet a whole range of interesting people who don't all work in data governance. And I've just been hosting a webinar for Dharma UK about data science. And we had an amazing panel of people who I was able to ask some really basic questions to help our Dharma members and the wider audience get their head around what data science is. And I found it really, really fascinating. And one of the questions that came up are, what are the obstacles to doing data science? And it was whilst the panel were giving their answers that I realised that whilst data governance and data science are not related to each other per se, what you do actually have is a real requisite for a company to have good data governance in place before they start doing data science. So if you want to go and watch the webinar, I've included the link in the comments below. But what I would say is, the summary of what these amazing data scientists were telling me is that they've got all these amazing analytical skills and tools available to them to really have some amazing insights for an organization. But quite often a company will start to try and implement data science, and they will hire data scientists before they've got data governance in place. And this means that the data scientists themselves are really limited in what they can do because they don't know what data there is in an organization. Nobody knows what there is, where it is. They can get access to data, but nobody really understands what it is. And quite often they don't actually understand the quality of that data. So they're not the same thing in the same way that, perhaps data analytics and data science are clearly linked. But what became really clear in the conversation with the data scientists was that you really need a good foundation of data governance in place before your organization adopts data science. If you do that, you're going to be in a really good position to make the most of the skills and technology that's available in that arena. So I hope that has helped. If you are interested in learning more about data science, I really recommend that you listen to that webinar. And if you've got any questions that you'd like me to answer in future webinars, please just send them in to questions@nicolaaskham.com.